chicken butt. Chicken butt.
No, we don't do that. Here, now you can wander around. I'll get some video.
Chicken butt. Chicken butt. Chicken butt.
Now, chicken head.
Chicken head.
Chicken head.
Chicken head.
No, we don't want to be chicken butt. We want to be chicken head.
Chicken head. Chicken butt. If you had a chicken butt, you would have a tail sticking out.
Uh-oh. Take some video. What'd you do? Fall in?
Yeah, fall in.
Huh?
You had a cigarette lighter?
Huh? Boosh.
I need to
Now you, yeah, there he goes. He had to get the tiara in there.
Yeah.
Don't do it.
Oh no!
Don't do
It's still
I'm
good.
so sorry.
Uh-oh.
It's still good.
Yes, it's okay.
It's okay.
You can
Nothing.
still wear it.
You can still wear it.
Nothing a little duct
Except
tape and...
that part.
Haley, sweetie, it's okay. It was an accident. Honest.
Here. You can still wear it.
Ta-da!
It's still perfect. Want to see it?
No.
It doesn't have any scratches. Want to wear it? Come on.
We gotta go.
Here, I'm gonna close up to you then.
Love you too.
I'll see you another time, okay? James is gonna have surgery in a couple of weeks.
Oh, really? Don't.
Sean.
Bye.
Yeah.
He's a...
Here, look at the camera, check it in. I'll show you.
Haley.
Zoom in. Is it? I don't even have to do that. I can just do that. I'll take some video. Yeah, it'll be cute.
Here. You're ripping his shirt, James. You know how to say bye. Love you.
Bye.